Okay, hello Sagittarius. Welcome to your zodiac reading, and this is going to be for May 1st to the 15th. We will first look into your current energies, and basis that we'll see what to expect from May 1st to the 15th for your zodiac, and then we'll end it with a couple of oracle cards from the universe. So, if the current situation resonates with you, then there is a high possibility that the remaining 15 days that I pick up on, which is from the May 1st to the 15th, will also resonate with you. Okay? So, let's begin. Let's see what's going on with you, Sagittarius. I have the Nine of Wands. King of Pentacles, Four of Swords. Okay, and bottom is Four of Wands. Let me take this. So, Sag. Okay, I see you at this point trying to guard yourself as much as possible and trying to focus. Okay? Focus on understanding where does your stability lie. This could be to do with your career, this could be to do with your personal life also. So you're just trying to analyze everything because you probably don't want to repeat what you did in the past. Okay? You are attached to something, but you're trying to draw that boundary also so that you don't land up making that same mistake probably that you did. I'm picking this up that maybe you just don't want to repeat that same mistake again. All right? Somewhere I'm also picking up for a lot of you that this could be to do with a person. Maybe this person, you are not able to trust this person for some reason, okay? Or your person is not opening up to you and you feel it, okay? So I have 4 repeated twice here. So basically, the idea right now, I'm picking this up for you, is to just be calm, and that is your stability, okay? Don't pressurize too much on drawing boundaries that you can't, all right? So this is what I'm picking up in the current situation. If this resonated, then let's just see those 15 days for you. I am actually seeing that you're not being able to trust somebody or trust a particular situation. Let's see. May 1st to the 15th for Sagittarius. Knight of Cups. Queen of Swords. High Priestess. Queen of Cups. Okay. Sagittarius. You have feelings for this person or this situation that has just come up, okay? But somehow the energy in you is not letting you open up fully, okay? You probably don't want to say what you're feeling because of some fears. I can see that you definitely have feelings for this particular situation. It's not like you don't have feelings at all. You do. Okay? But you're trying to hide it, and for the next 15 days also, those 15 days also, I'm seeing you hide it. Maybe this person is trying to be soft with you, but you are still resistant, or maybe you just are not able to trust this person. Maybe this person is coming the second time in your life or something, and you're just not sure if you can trust this person. Okay, let's see what else do I pick up for you, Sag. Ten of Pentacles. You can actually. You can. Maybe because your dreams got shattered because of this person, or maybe this person could not really be honest with you and that broke your heart, and that way you felt really bad about the whole thing. Okay? I am actually seeing you do have feelings because I have the Queen of Cups here also, and you're silent about it. Okay, why can you not trust? Let's see. I'm actually seeing you be silent only for those 15 days also. Yeah, because maybe this person made you feel left out. Maybe they, in the past, I think maybe this person wasn't very open with you. Yeah, they weren't very open with you. Maybe they just treated you like someone whom they were having fun with or something. Take it how it resonates. And you're just scared. For a lot of you, this is to do with a career opportunity. I think maybe in the past you took a risk and it didn't work in your favor. Okay, so you again want to, your heart is again tempted to take this risk, but you're scared also at the same time. You're not sure if this will work out in your favor or not. You don't know. Okay, so I'm actually seeing that we'll get it from the universe messages whether you should trust this or not. But I'm actually seeing you confused again for those 15 days whether to open up or not. You'll still be guarded. Queen of Swords, I see here. So you'll still be guarded. Let's see what's the advice to you from the universe, from the Animal Spirit Oracle. What is the advice? I have 2 cards. Frog Spirit, clear out the clutter, and Ant Spirit, time to collaborate. Take baby steps. Okay, don't try to compare everything with your past. Take baby steps. You have to see, every human being has to collaborate. Otherwise, you can't grow. Otherwise, you can't be who you are, or you can't become a better version of you. That's the reason why people get married. That's the reason why they say yin and yang. That's the reason why it's life partners. That's the reason why there's masculine and feminine, right? So clear the clutter is basically telling me start fresh. Okay, if this person broke your heart, or if in the past you landed up in a soup because of taking a risk, it was the past. That doesn't mean that you stop doing that. Of course, take calculated risks, but you don't stop. Okay, you shouldn't, rather, because here the point is that maybe you need this person's help. You can't do this alone. Okay, or even for your career matter, I'm seeing that you will need somebody's help, and that could be your internal fire self, which maybe you've suppressed because of that experience, or just in general, but you will need that help. Okay, so trust the divine planning, trust these things. So there is this very beautiful phrase that goes, you repeat what you don't repair. Okay, so you have to repair something here. Maybe the way you reacted to that crisis is something that you need to check on. Okay, that's why this situation has again risen up in your life. So maybe you have to check that. Okay, Sagittarius, let me know in the comments if this resonated with you. Private readings are open. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested in daily energy checks. And this is what I have for you, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section about how you feel about this reading, if this resonated. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.